Hi, seniors. It's Miss Dixon. I hope you guys are doing good and you had a nice long weekend. Um, this is the just kind of the down and dirty for this week. B Day, fifth period. You guys kind of it depends on how you look at it. You guys have a asynchronous week. They are testing in my room, both for English 1 EOC and English 2 EOC. Matter of fact, I will be administrating the EOC 2. Um, and so you guys are asynchronous. People who are in person will meet me in the library, at least meet me in the library on Tuesday. Thursday, you will, not the library, excuse me, the auditorium. Auditorium. You will meet me at the auditorium on Tuesday, and then you will go to the auditorium on Thursday. Um, and go about your business, do your work, and so forth. Um, so this is a little bit about what I'm expecting of you for the week. And just so I don't forget, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you guys will come to class and Zoom in as normal, okay? But basically, both are pretty much the same, okay? So let me go ahead and what you're going to see on the screen is the Monday, Wednesday, Friday A day, but it's the same for Tuesday, Thursday, okay? So one thing that's really important is that you guys need to do your attendance form on these 2 days for B day. And actually, I have the B slides up. So, but Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is pretty much the same. It's just kind of spread out a little bit. Okay. So basically, you guys, this is what you're doing. Okay. You're finishing chapter 5 and starting chapter 6 of Siddhartha. And then in Google Classroom, there is, and I can go ahead and show you really quickly. Um, in Google Classroom, you will see under classwork, you will see week 4, Siddhartha questions 5 and 6. And I do need you to complete that. Okay. Then, once you're done with that, you'll go on to chapter 7, read chapter 7, and then your answer discussion question in your journal. Okay. And this is a little more what it looks like. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, kids, we're going to do this portion of it on Friday. Okay, so you'll read chapter 7. You'll have this discussion question that comes from chapter 7. In one aspect, the river relates to the Buddhist concept of time. To the best of your ability, explain how the river relates to the Buddhist conception of time. Okay? Um, And then note, keep up with your independent reading book, make up any missed work as soon as possible. Keep up with it, you guys. Before you know it, you're going to get so far behind that you're dug yourself a hole. And I don't want that to happen because I don't want your graduation to be jeopardized. So please keep up with things. For late work, do the late notification form. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on the slides themselves, which are in Google Classroom. You do have my schedule. Unfortunately, it is pretty sparse this week because of testing. Tuesday and Thursday are completely tied up with testing. So Monday afternoon, which is past now, I'm uploading this on Tuesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon and Friday morning. Okay, you guys let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.